I'm just quickly going over American Standard over the rim drain 1599-205 drain installation. Couldn't find anything like this on YouTube, so decided to show how it goes. Basically, this new types of drains give you a better depth of installation soaking. And if you get one of these bathtubs, whether it's jacuzzi or regular tub from American Standard, I got it from Home Depot. You don't have any other options for the drain. You could get these in plastic or in brass, and seems like the metal ones are more durable and give you a better seal, according to the reviews that I read. So basically, this is what we got. Pretty straightforward. First step is to place your drain plug with kind of plumber's putty here, and then the gasket goes underneath. Once you're done with that, you apply a little bit of sealant, could be silicone, around the gasket for this overflow flange, and install it with this piece, the retaining plate with screws. And make sure that the open part is facing towards the top so the water can flow. And let's put the screws in, pretty straightforward. And then the cover comes over it.